Hello there, it's Roland from Getting It Done North of 7. We're going to talk about the BNX air filters. It's air conditioning season right now. I just got finished with burning wood in the winter season, heating season, and now it's the air conditioning season and I wanted to try a different air filter. So anyways, I did some research online and I found that these BNX air filters have a really good rating. I mean thousands of ratings. So I thought I have to try them. And the thing I noticed was they are built in the USA. Now I'm in Canada, but that's fine with me. I like the idea that they're 100% made in the USA. And in the stores around here, the prices are crazy. And I'm gonna show you what it does do. Look, it collects pollen, dust mites, pet dander, mold spores, firewood smoke, which is good here, exhaust fumes, smoke, dust, bacteria, insecticide dust, household lint, smog, and virus carriers. Now we may all have some of this in our homes, so if you have a good filter and you have good clean air, that's what you really want. And look at this, it's electrostatically charged air filter. What that means is the dust and whatever else is in your air will cling to that filter. Look how well made it is. Look at the pleats in here and the wire meshing. I don't know a lot about filters, but I've been looking at air filters for quite a while, and I can tell this is a high quality air filter. We'll turn it around, look at the back, see the foam pleats, and then it has this cardboard here that holds it all together. I'm excited about trying this air filter in my furnace. I know it's going to be good. So let's go down to the furnace and install one. So this here is the dirty filter that I took out. As you can see, it's pretty dusty and it needed to be changed really bad. I put in one just like this one. See the big difference? You know, of course it's new, but yeah, it was time to change it. And I'm looking forward to see how it really works. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description of this video where you can get your BNX filter. And I want to thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.